Welcome again to Mother and Daughter in the Kitchen. My daughter is not here. She couldn't make it today. So her friend offered to come and cook something for us. So please welcome Elisa's friend Clémence. Hello, bonjour Clémence.
Bonjour.
Oh,
Bonjour.
bonjour. What were you going to cook for us today?
I don't cook.
Oh, well, I thought you said you were going to...
Mais non.
No?
Non.
You just came to
Je
say...
suis là.
Oh, right. Would you like a drink or
Rien.
something?
Maybe.
Oh, what would you like?
Champagne.
We have Prosecco.
J'aime l'Italien le mec, donc... Ok.
Here's
Petit
some
déjeuner.
Prosecco.
Little breakfast, ok?
Breakfast.
Bien.
Okay. Here's some glasses. These are my favorite. If you please, thank you.
To make the breakfast,
Yes.
orange juice.
I have some.
Jus d'orange, oui.
Okay. Orange juice for breakfast?
Oui.
Okay, good. Since it's breakfast, orange juice. Okay, we're not missing. This is fresh squeezed orange juice.
Normalement.
Okay, I know. You know how to open the Prosecco?
Madame Michele, this is my breakfast every day.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
Allez, on fait ça.
Oh, I notice how you're holding it at the bottom.
1, 2, 3.
Whee!
1, 2, 3. So you're counting the French.
I see,
Okay?
yes. Oui.
Allez. 1, 2, 3.
This is breakfast.
Oui.
Okay.
Et jus d'orange, tu mets petit peu. Poup.
Oh,
C'est ça, juste ça. Et
wonderful.
poup. Bon appétit, madame.
Oh.
Santé, bonheur.
Santé.
Allez.
Okay,
Bon.
this is our new breakfast.
Santé.
Au revoir.
Ouais.
Merci Clémence. Thank you for coming.